I want to talk to you about the upcoming retreat, Fulfilled Inside and Strong Together. It is the first retreat that I now offer for men and for women and for families, for singles, for couples, for all kinds, everybody who wants to experience love. Because I see that it's very, very needed to learn how to be a man, how to be a woman, but in a way that is liberating, respectful, has to do with mutual respect and not with blaming, shaming, and all these kind of things. So we hear a lot, Paul and I, my husband and I, that people want what we have. What we have is that what we created. So it's not that it was there in the first place. Okay, there was love in the first place in our marriage, and a good respect, a portion of respect. But then we have to work on it. We have to work on it regularly and check in with each other. What do we have to readjust now so that it still works? Because things are always changing. And some of the things aren't. But this collaboration that we create gives us a stability and growth at the same time. And it invites us to get out of the old concepts, role models, and fixed ideas, what it means to be a man, what it means to be a woman, and step into, a liberated, I would say, grounded love that is full of commitment, that is full of giving and receiving and support. And this support is mutual. It's not that one life matters more than another life or so. And in the retreat, I will guide you through a process how you can experience yourself in a relationship with yourself, but also in the relationships that you have, and reconsider and realign where you would like to go from there so that it really fits into the here and now, what you have learned so far, but also what you didn't have just yet and you want it now. It might be more love, it might be that something in your life has come to an end and you want to move on in a different way, even with the same relationship. It might also be that you are not in a relationship, but you want to improve your relationship to yourself and to everything that is, because at the end it's always the same. There is no difference between what we experience in the family, what we experience now, what we experience in a workplace. At the end, it all comes together to very, very empowering concepts. And it doesn't matter, because at the end, we're always humans in every relationship, aren't we? So I want to invite you to come to the retreat. It's in Sedona and it's beautiful. So we will do not just, learn and explore and do things on ourselves, but you also have the opportunity to go with us to the vortexes. You have the opportunity to visit the spas, and it's really luxury. It's a really good place. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks for listening. Bye.